Hi guys, today we're going to be opening Sunny Angels and we're going to see what we have. Ya tengo una. We got our package yesterday, I believe so. Wow. We got a Sunny Angel outfit. It's the bunny. So this is the bunny. And then we got, let's just take all of this out. Put the box on the bottom. We don't mind that. So we got a little bestie case. So if you guys go on the Sunny Angel website, you could get this and then put your Sunny Angel in it so it doesn't get dirty when you carry it. These are stickers. Maybe we're gonna open them, yeah? To see if we get the secret. Let's open these first, actually. Oh. For these ones, we could get Classic Animal Pack, Pop Animal Pack, Cute Animal Pack, Marine Pack, or Secrets. Those are 1 and 24. Oh, let's see what you... Oh, you got the Marine Pack. We got the Marine Pack. It's so cute. We got the Blue Robbie. No secrets, though. But we got these cuties. So cute. Marine. And then here's the little thing. Now we're going to be opening the Sunny Angel Marine series. We could get starfish, blowfish, manta, a penguin, a clownfish, a shell, a seahorse, a whale, a dolphin, a seal, a shark, a jellyfish, a secret, or a robbie. And I'm hoping we get starfish. That one's cute. Which one are you hoping, Mom?
A ver, ¿cuál es el? Yeah, I want starfish. No, you don't open like that. Why you have the cuchillo there?
Let's see the pop. Close our eyes.
I saw it.
Oh, you got a whale. So cute. No,
¿Es una ballena?
it's una whale. Now this is the fruit series. We could get an apple, pineapple, dragon fruit, durian, melon, watermelon, strawberry, grape, orange, pear, raspberry, peach, robbie, or secret. And I hope we get the apple.
And that one was my birthday gift from Sunny Angel. They put one free for my birthday. No yelling.
Let's see what we get. Oh, I know which one you got. Guess which one it is, Mom.
I don't know.
Guess.
That was series?
Apple. I mean fruit.
Strawberry. I want that! Long time ago.
Pineapple. So cute, so fun. These are the two Sunny Angels we got today. A pineapple and a whale. Okay, bye guys. Like and subscribe.